You think America lost the car industry to foreign competition? No, America destroyed it with one decision. Before Tesla, before Japan dominated the market, America built the greatest car industry the world had ever seen. And then it made a mistake that changed everything. This is uncovering America's biggest forgotten turning point. Comment below. What do you think was America's biggest industrial mistake? In the 1950s, the United States didn't just make cars, it defined the modern world. Chrome bumpers, massive engines, tail fins cutting through the air like fighter jets. From Detroit to California, American cars symbolized freedom, power, dominance. Companies like Ford and General Motors weren't just businesses, they were America. Detroit was booming, workers were thriving, middle-class families were growing. The auto industry built the American dream. But here's where things get strange. In the 1970s, warning signs appeared. Gas prices spiked. Oil crises hit. Consumers began asking for smaller, more fuel-efficient cars. Japan adapted. America didn't. Executives believed Americans would always want bigger engines, louder power, more chrome. They underestimated the shift, and that one miscalculation would cost millions of jobs. But what happened next shocked the entire country. Japanese automakers entered the U.S. market with reliable, fuel-efficient vehicles, cars that didn't break down, cars that saved money. Meanwhile, American manufacturers struggled with quality issues, slow adaptation, and internal corporate arrogance. Factories closed. Entire neighborhoods in Detroit collapsed. Generations of workers lost stability. This wasn't just economic decline, it was psychological. Communities built around pride and identity suddenly felt abandoned. And here's the uncomfortable truth. America didn't lose because it couldn't compete. It lost because it refused to change. That single era of overconfidence reshaped the global auto market forever. Today, Detroit is rebuilding. Electric vehicles are rising. Innovation is returning. But the scars remain. The lesson? Industrial empires don't fall overnight. They fall when they ignore reality. This was just one forgotten American turning point. If you love hidden stories about America's biggest mistakes and darkest history, subscribe because next week's story might be even more shocking.